Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka IC Glam, and we are back. Yes, we are back for another part of our Road to Relaunch weekly vlog series. And I know we're later than we should be. I know we are behind schedule, but I just wanted to come on as IC Glam of the future and just talk to you guys really quickly before we get into the video. This week's vlog is going to be a lot shorter and a lot less present than the last one, and the future ones maybe. I don't know, it depends. I'm a human being. I'm a black woman, proud to be black, never wanted to be anything else other than black. I am very in tune and in touch with being a black woman, which means I am very aware and very much affected and very much feeling what is going on in the world. I never want to come on here and be fake with you guys. I never want to come on here and be phony. I never want to come on here and be tone deaf. Like, I don't want to come on here and pretend. I've been trying to find this balance between being present and still being creative and still giving people a positive space, while also being very aware and being very like respective of what it is that we're going through, but also like this is real life. I just wanted to come on here before we get into the video and share with you guys a couple of things that I am doing to mobilize and keep active and do my part in the movement, because this is a revolution happening, guys. Like, change has to come. We are tired, we are fed up, and we've been through more than enough. And I think a lot of us are trying to figure out ways that we can be present. I think we're just trying to think of what next. Like, we've protested, we've put ourselves out there physically. What comes next? So what I have been tasking myself for this week is I am going to hold my dollar more responsible. Really be conscious of where and how you're spending your dollars. I think we sleep on the power of the dollar. Like, if we could combine our black dollars and recirculate them and keep them in the black community, we would be so much more powerful than they already know that we are. And I am really trying to focus on that. So I am making a pledge to myself that I'm going to be putting all of my dollars, all of my money, both personal and business, into black banks. So I've spent the greater part of the past like 4 days researching black banks here in the States, and seeing what would fit best for me personally and business wise. As a resident of New York, of course I want something that is easily accessible for me in New York, but listen, I just want it to be black. I want my money to circulate in black banks. I want that dollar to stay black as long as it can, especially if I'm not physically using it. That dollar's got to stay black. I am also tasking myself and my loved ones to take time, especially now as Nigerians living in America, to learn about black history here in America. I think for so long there's been this incorrect narrative that if you are an African who is from Africa and maybe you just migrated here, you came here, you relocated, you are not African American. But baby girl, baby boy, I'm here to let you know that when people see you, they see black. As they should, because we are black. And that narrative of, oh well, I'm not really American, so it's not my experience, has to go. And I think one of the most powerful ways to let that go is by education. Not that I personally ever really live by that narrative. I know that black is black is black is black, and your experience is my experience, is my experience is your experience. It is so important to match that physical power with academics. It is so important to be educated. It is so important to be academically armed and ready and equipped. As much as I love my Akwa Ibom culture, I love my Nigerian heritage, and I am proud to know every single step of it. It is so important for me as a black woman living in America to know what exactly it is that black people went through here in America. And I don't just mean the stuff they teach you in your textbook. I'm talking about real life, like the ins and outs, the things that they would never tell us, because if they told us, they know we would be so pissed, they know we'd be so angry, they know that they would have hell to pay. It is time for us to wake up and to educate ourselves. It is time for us as black people to let them know that we no longer are taking less than what it is that we deserve. We are here for everything it is that is ours. We are here for it, because not for anything else, but the simple fact that it is our birthright and we were born to have that. We're not doing it no more. We're waking up, we're rising. I love you guys. Stay in power, stay in love. As always, please subscribe to the channel, hit that red button down below, let your girl know that you're with me. Like the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, you know the drill. And tell your mother, your father, baby sister, tell your cousin, tell everybody to pull up, because we finna get it cracking. All right, let's roll. are back for the road to relaunch week 2. Okay, it is Sunday, May 24th, and I have just come off of my very first Instagram live as ICU Glam. Honestly, Instagram live hasn't been an avenue I've gone down because I don't know if it's fear of like me feeling like people wouldn't show up or whatnot, but guys, I had in total with people coming on and off, I think Instagram told me 37 people, which is a lot. That's a lot. And I think I had a steady like 12-13 people the entire time. We were on for like 2 hours. So we did the first hour, got kicked off, and came back on, and we at no minute we had less than 12 people. It was really amazing. So thank you to everybody that showed up and really gave me that boost I needed. Like last week, in the first week of the road to relaunch, I had a couple of hard days. I don't know if I really vlogged it on camera, but your girl was feeling a little bit defeated and deflated, which is very not like me. But I had my moments, but y'all picked me up today, so yeah. Oh my gosh. So we are on the road to relaunch week 2. Okay, I am just still up here. This is where I did my Instagram live. I like to use my background here for some of my videos, some of my Instagram lives. I think I'll be doing those a little bit more frequently. I have products here. I swatched products. My makeup looks a little bit messy because I've been like putting lips on and off and on and off and on and off. I am writing down some notes of like things that people liked and said as I'm writing down, so excuse me looking down, things people said and mentioned as we were on Instagram live, because I like to use the feedback of my audience. You know, it's my target audience. These are the people that I would like to buy and purchase my products. So it's always good for me to hear what they like to say and what they think about things that helps me in my development. This week we've got a lot on our plate. This week I have samples coming on Wednesday, so by God's grace, Wednesday/Thursday I will have decided final colors for liquid lipsticks, put in orders with my my lab and my vendors to have things get into production. I'll start naming colors. I need to do that. I need to name the colors. I need to make things a little bit more concrete. I need to be able to give people a day of expectation for a product launch. So when the products come, I'll still need time to take pictures, put them on my website, update things, QA, quality control them. So things got to get rolling, because I said June and God is commissioning it for June. I'm claiming it. So we are hitting the ground running. So join me on the week 2 road to relaunch. I'll see you guys. Good morning. It is Monday, I'm looking at the date. It is Monday, May 25th. It is 8:22 in the morning. Y'all, after I filmed that clip yesterday, right after my Instagram live, I came down, washed my face, did my skincare, and knocked out the headache I had last night. I haven't had a headache like that in a long time. And I woke up this morning in a new vibe, got a lot of energy, went for my run this morning, and now I'm here trying to edit so I can post the relaunch vlog week 1. It is Monday and this is supposed to go up yesterday. Yes, it is 8:23 and I have vowed that I'm going to finish up editing this vlog within the next hour. It is Memorial Day, so everyone's off work. We are going to do a little barbecue here in the house with the fam. Hey guys, so quick update. Haven't finished editing the vlog. It is 12:42. The saga continues. I don't know if today's going to be a really big work day in terms of ICU Glam. If I could edit the vlog that's meant to go up today and film one video that I can post during the week, then I'll be more than happy with that, and then we'll get back on track in the thick of it. It is a national holiday, so I should break a little bit. Anyways, I'll be back. Hey guys. You guys haven't seen me since I filmed yesterday, so you guys know that I think I last saw you guys when I was going to the store, so I had some stuff for the barbecue. Yeah, I took yesterday off. I needed yesterday off. Yes, it is Tuesday and I'm outside getting some vitamin C because sun is very important to health. I've been inside working, like work. Remember I told you guys, don't ever let nobody try to play you for your 9 to 5 and try to make you feel like you don't need a 9 to 5. Work your 9 to 5, okay baby? Work it as long as you need to and have to, and do it with pride, okay? So I am just wrapping up with my salaried work, as I like to call it, and I am now testing on lipsticks. Remember I said I was expecting more samples. I was actually expecting them to come tomorrow and they came today. So I have been testing the samples and I think I am like 90% sure on the 6 colors that I'm going to start with. So we're going to move forward with that. We're going to move forward with naming and putting, I want to have everything in production by tomorrow morning. So I am going to call who I need to call, break down what I need to break down, cut whatever checks I need to cut, and then we shall be gearing one step closer to the launch. It is 10 p.m. and I have finally finished editing this dang vlog, so it will be going up tomorrow first thing in the morning. To get some packages that have already been sanitized and disinfected. I did all of that good stuff, but I wanted to open them with you guys down here before I go upstairs, just so we have a little bit of change of scenery. As I was editing the last vlog, like the part 1 of our road to relaunch, I kind of felt like we were like, I kind of felt like we were sitting in the same places. Like, it just kind of looked a little bit repetitive. Okay, so I got, this is the second part to that Zara package I ordered. I mean, I opened with you guys in the first part. It's really nothing exciting. It's just, ooh, yes. It is just that ribbed, you know, the beige, like rosy beige bodysuit, the ribbed one that I showed you. I also got it in black. Why are these shipped in separate orders? Only Zara knows. Because even God looking at them like, that's itching. So here I have 2 packages from Skims. Yeah, I really did enjoy my first Skims purchase, even though I ordered the wrong sizing. So I was like, why not give it another try? Well, let me just see. So I got the entire summer mesh collection, like the top, bottoms, all of them. I got them in the, oh, this is like a pantyhose. Okay. I got them in this bone, which is the white color. Okay, I don't know. It's too soon to judge. And then in the brown, I would have gotten the entire thing in the brown too. By the time I went back to order it in my size, a couple things were gone, so I was like, eh. Hey guys, so, oh my gosh, my face looks dry. I have this pimple that's like trying to ruin my life. Annoying. Anyways, it is just midnight and I'm having a little soup because I haven't eaten since I had that salad earlier, like 4 o'clock, 4:30. I don't even know if I showed you guys that. So I actually ended up sleeping. I took a nap at, like, I fell asleep on my computer. Like, I just finished prepping my YouTube video for tomorrow and I fell asleep at the computer around 11, and I woke up at like 11:30 and I was like, no, I need to package up all of my orders. So tomorrow morning, I'm going on site for work tomorrow, so I don't have all day. Tomorrow morning I need to just grab the packages already packaged, ready to go, and just ship them at the post office. So I packaged all my orders. They are downstairs waiting for me. I'm here having some soup. Once I finish eating, I'm gonna wash my face, do my skincare routine, and then call it a night. So I will see you guys in the morning. It is Saturday, May 30th. That means you guys have not seen me for about 3-4 days. And I almost wasn't gonna film this, and I was almost just gonna like put some fillers and just make up the weekly vlog to just make it make sense, but I wanted to tell you guys why I haven't been vlogging. I think as a creative, I think as a human in general, it's so important to, and I speak about this all the time, it's so important to acknowledge how you feel and respect yourself for how you feel before you pull yourself out. And the state of the world, as if being in the middle of a pandemic wasn't enough. It's been a lot. And emotionally, I felt it. And I think it's impacted not my ability to work, because obviously I've been getting work done. The work has to be done. But I just didn't want to come on camera with that sort of, in that state, with such a heavy spirit, with such a heavy heart. So I had to give myself some days. I'm still feeling it. Honestly, I've been up till like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning every night watching the news. I felt that, so I had to step back a little bit from the camera, just give myself some. But we're back. It is Saturday, May 30th, and we have 2 days left for this little vlog for this week, and we're gonna make the most of it. Okay, yeah, I'll catch you guys up on what I've been doing these past couple days. Not here. I'm changing it ready. It is 9:45 and I'm just writing down some ideas for YouTube videos and stuff that I want to film. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys up a little bit later. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm like playing around with different lighting and stuff in my room, so forgive your girl if we don't really like it. I think it's a little too white. I think it needs to be a little bit more yellow. Maybe I'll turn on the yellow light. I don't feel like it. Anyways, so Saturday, it is 2:30 p.m. I've done a couple things today. I went out and ran a quick errand. Had to go to the beauty supply store. I want to show you guys quickly my favorite brow pencil. I get it from the beauty supply store. It is the Kiss Top Brow Precision Eye Pencil. This costs like, what, I think $7 or $8 at the beauty supply store. I love these, and I was running out of mine and I needed to get one, so I got two because I don't want to have to do this again. Before I go upstairs and set up to film and stuff like that, do my makeup and all of that, I wanted to quickly share with you guys what you've missed this week. I had mentioned that I was waiting on some more samples of the liquid lipsticks to come in before I made my final decision of the colors that we were going to go forward with. So this week I made that final decision, and these are the starting squad in no particular order, and the lighting in here is not doing it for us. I have excuse me, where am I in the production process? So I have let the lab know what colors and formulations we want to move forward with. We are at the design stage right now. I'm torn. If I have them print my logo and stuff directly on the tube, it's gonna take an additional 6 weeks because of everything that's going on, and they're very backed up right now, they say. It's gonna take an additional 6 weeks. If I take the packaging as it is and have them labeled in a similar fashion to how I have my lip glosses labeled, which are just like a wraparound label, I could do that in about 2 weeks. So I'm thinking, do I wait the 6 weeks? Well, 8 weeks? Or do I start off my first round with the labeling that I'm used to doing, which to me is not a problem. I just wanted to kind of start off a little bit different with these, but I mean, I'm not starting with any crazy large inventory. I think I'm gonna do between 50 to 100 pieces of each color. I'm going to start with minimum 50. I need to decide on design for packaging, not only the packaging directly on the tube, but the box packaging. We need to do that. I need to name them. Like this weekend, I should not leave this weekend without names for each and every single color. So that needs to happen. I want to visualize. I need to visually see the colors and to be able to name them and just sit down and look at them and name them, because there's a lot in a name. And one thing you'll learn in business is that your product has to be bomb. The colors need to be bomb, but the name sometimes seals the deal. Like, a lot of people will buy things just off the strength of the name of it. It just sounds so appealing and so appetizing and so enticing. So I'm gonna do that. I totally should have set up my yellow light, but it is what it is. So I've got the lip liners here and the liquid lips here, so I am just going to get to swatching. So these are the colors swatched, all 7 of them in their glory, and the 2 lip liners. I'm gonna let them dry and clean them up a little bit because, you know, some places are too thick for paper. I'm gonna clean them up, and while that dries, we will film. Yes.